Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let's do some honey mustard fried chicken wings in the deep fryer. Yes, honey mustard fried chicken wings in the deep fryer. So let's give it a try. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Let's do it. Okay, so let's start right out with our mustard. Okay, and some honey. So we put the mustard on. Now honey. Let me let you see that. Okay, now let's go with our seasonings. Granulated garlic, pepper, Lawry's seasoning salt. Okay, let's put some sassoon everything on there. Give it a little herbs. Alright, so now we're just going to take and smear this mustard on here. So it's on both sides along with the honey and the seasonings. Okay, let me wash my hands and show you that. Okay, that's what it looks like. Now I'm just going to sprinkle some additional Lawry's seasoning on there. Alright, now we're going to put it in some flour. Okay, so I have my flour. I'm dying to see how the mustard chicken wings taste. I've never cooked them before. Okay, so I have a serving spoon here. I'm just going to add 2 heaping serving spoons of flour here. Alright, to the flour, I'm going to add my same seasonings. Sassoon everything. Lawry's. Garlic. Pepper. Okay, now I'm going to put this in. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag of flour. Okay, now I'm just going to shake it up. Alright, now we're going to put it in. Our oil is nice and hot. Okay, it's all in. That was 3 chicken wings that I cut in half, so that gave me 6 drumsticks. Okay, now I think I want to make a honey mustard sauce to go with that. Okay, so let me just clean up this and I'll show you that. 1 second. Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day before I show you how to make the honey mustard sauce. When you're in a relationship, please try to bring something to the table. You know, I'm here with nothing is not gonna help with the situation. You know, you got to build the relationship, you got to entertain, you got to pay bills, you got to bring something to the table. So let's bring some positive stuff. Let's try to bring some first of all, a positive attitude. Try to bring some financial advice and help with your finances so that you can help the relationship along. Bring a good partner. That's very important. You need to be a good partner. Don't assume that just because you got them that now you're all set, you can keep them. That doesn't go like that, okay? So bring something to the table, because you know why? When you go to the table to eat, you want something on that table to eat, right? Well, it's the same thing when you have a relationship. You want to bring something so that the other person can feel they can eat from you and you can eat from them, and you contribute to the relationship. And of course, the other person has to contribute as well. That's the word of the day. Bring something to the table. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so we're doing honey mustard fried wings, right? So let's have a honey mustard sauce. So we have some mustard. Okay, how much you put in, it doesn't matter. That's up to you. Honey. Let's add a little garlic. Okay, I want to taste it to see what I'm missing. Okay, that's what it looks like. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, I like that a lot. Oh, wow. That's talking, guys. That's really good. So we're going to call this Grandma Ray's honey mustard sauce. Okay, since I made it up, why not? Okay, let's check out our chicken. So I see right away that the honey and the mustard on the chicken is turning a little dark. So just keep that in mind. That doesn't mean it's burnt or anything. It just means that, you know, because honey is a form of sweetener, right? So of course that's going to darken it a little. But let's focus in on the taste. Okay. And of course our sauce we're going to put on there. Oh my God, that's so good. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I just took this piece of chicken out here and it's over 165, so we're good. I'm going to test this one. And you see what I mean when I say it came out dark because of the mustard and the honey. Okay, we're at 168. Really dark, but not burnt, okay? Cut that off. Okay, I'm going to let that cool for about 5 minutes and then I'll come back and plate that up and show you, okay? Thank you. Alright, so here we go. So my advice, and I keep it real, I would not put the mustard and the honey on before I fry it, which I did that. I put the honey and mustard on the chicken wings and rubbed it in and then fried it, because that turned it a dark color that I'm not necessarily pleased with. But I know it's not overdone. I took the temperature and I was here watching it. And here's the honey mustard sauce that I made, okay? So let's take a taste. That's the most important thing. Let me taste it for you. Okay, I'm gonna dip the chicken in the honey mustard sauce. I must say, the mustard flavor is definitely there. It's much stronger than it was when I taste the sauce alone. So I can see where that makes a difference, okay? Just be prepared of the color. If you're okay with that, your taste is excellent. I like mustard, so I could eat that. Okay. Thank you for hanging around, sharing and caring. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, check out the videos. Talk to you soon, okay? Bye-bye.